Welcome back to Culture Spoken English. Here I'm on to back on the video to read new topics. The topics that I would like to talk to you is on the matter, means matter. Now, what type of sentence we can reference with this? Let's see. One example. Leave the matter to me. Batrako angno sim narnahor kotato morphali thilidia. What's the matter? Ma batra ki kotha? It's a difficult matter. Beyo monse gobrab batra eta jutil kotha. It's not a loving matter. Eta haisokor kotha nohoy. Beyo minithau batra noa eba mininai batra noa. It's a simple matter. Beyo monse gorlei batra eta horol baikya. It's a common matter. Beyo monse boynibo janai batra. Beyo monse solibai thanai batra eta khosasor soli thaka kotha. It's a new matter. Beyo monse godan batra eta notun kotha. It's a social matter. Beyo monse somajari batra eta hoise samajik kotha. It's my personal matter. Etu hoise mor byaktigoto kotha. Beyo angni gauni batra. It doesn't matters. Please pass over. Etu eta kotha nohoy yak mane par kora. Beyo jibo batra noa beko barho. I cannot stay silent on this matter. Be batrayo ang siri thana haya ei kothat moi mone mone thakibo nwaro. I can't agree with you on this matter. Moi apunar kote ei kothat ekmot nohoy ang nongthangjong be batrayo khothase noa. Please explain the matter. Batrako bekhionai kothakar bakhya kora. We will talk over the matter. Ami কথার ওপৰত আলোচনা কৰিম जों बाथ्रानि सायाव सावरायगोन. It doesn't matter what I do. आं मा मावो बियो गिदिर बाथ्रा नङा. মই কি কৰো এটো কথা নহয়. We have to look into this matter again. এই কথাৰ ওপৰত আমি পুনৰ বিবেচনা কৰিব লাগে. বে बाथ्रानि सायाव जों फिन नायबिजिरनो नांगौ. It's matter of life and death. এটো হৈছে জীৱন মৰণৰ এটা কথা. বিयो मोनसे थैनाय थांनायनि बाथ्रा. That's all, Delonis. If you liked my videos, then please don't forget to comment and like and share and to subscribe my channel. Thank you.